Think every four-season travel trailer can actually handle a real winter? Think again. Today, we're cutting through the marketing claims to reveal 5 cold-weather travel trailers that make sense for retirees in 2026. We'll cover easy-to-tow setups, double-hull fiberglass construction, and a #1 pick with an incredible 100-gallon freshwater capacity. Subscribe for more RV comparisons and buying guides. Now, let's find out which trailer deserves the top spot. At number 5, we have a trailer that proves four-season capability doesn't have to mean towing a massive RV. The 2027 Jayco Jay Feather Air 18 FBS is just 21 feet 4 inches long and about 3,880 pounds unloaded, with a 4,995-pound GVWR. That makes it one of the lighter options on our list, and a particularly interesting choice for couples who want a more manageable trailer for frequent travel. But lightweight doesn't mean it can't handle cold weather. The 18 FBS uses Jayco's Climate Shield package to route heat into the underbelly around the holding tanks, and Jayco says it's tested for temperatures from 0 degrees Fahrenheit to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. The 2027 model also gets a 20,000 BTU furnace, a 55-gallon freshwater tank, an on-demand 60,000 BTU tankless water heater, power tongue jack, and self-adjusting electric brakes. For a retired couple, those features translate into easier setup and comfortable extended travel. The compact 21-foot 4-inch footprint makes campground maneuvering more manageable. Inside, the 18 FBS sleeps up to 3 and gives you a practical, couple-oriented layout with a dedicated bed, kitchen, bathroom, and living space. The dedicated sleeping area keeps the layout simple and comfortable for longer trips, while the rest of the trailer provides the everyday living space a retired couple needs. And Jayco adds several everyday features that work well for longer trips, including roller shades with radiant barrier backing and a standard sofa that converts into a bed with storage drawers underneath. You also get an 11 cubic foot 12-volt refrigerator, a convection microwave with air fry capability, and a solid fold-down exterior step. The 2027 Jay Feather Air starts at $30,968, with the final price varying depending on the floor plan, configuration, and options. So, for retirees who want to keep towing relatively simple while extending their travels beyond the traditional summer camping season, the 2027 Jay Feather Air 18 FBS is a very appealing starting point. And next, we move into a more premium, lightweight option. The Lance 1685 takes the lightweight concept and adds a premium combination of construction, comfort, and four-season equipment. It's 21 feet 5 inches long, with a 4,225-pound dry weight and a 6,300-pound GVWR. At that dry weight, it's relatively manageable, but if you're towing it with a half-ton pickup, don't stop at the truck's advertised tow rating. Check the actual payload, hitch rating, axle ratings, and the weight of passengers, water, and gear you'll be carrying. Lance's Four Seasons Comfort technology comes standard on the 1685, while its insulated construction, ducted heat, and thermopane Euro windows are designed to help maintain comfort across changing weather conditions. And then there's the floor plan. You get a forward queen-sized bed, spacious dry bathroom, kitchen, storage, and Lance's Super Slide dinette. Lance also gives the 1685 an 80-inch interior height, making the compact trailer feel more open inside. For extended retirement travel, that combination is important. You're getting a relatively compact trailer designed around 2 adults, with a proper bathroom, usable kitchen with a 10.7 cubic foot refrigerator, convection microwave, and comfortable living space. Outside, the 1685 adds a lightweight double entry step, solar capability with Starlink compatibility, and a backup camera, giving retirees a little more convenience both at the campsite and on the road. On the pricing side, current dealer selling prices are roughly $49,000 to $57,995, depending on model year, configuration, options, and dealer. For retirees who want manageable towing, four-season capability, and the everyday comforts needed for longer trips, the Lance 1685 is one of the strongest choices here. And next, we get to a trailer whose four-season capability is built even more deeply into its construction. At first glance, the Bigfoot B21 looks like a compact travel trailer, but its construction tells a very different story. The 25 B21RB uses a two-piece molded fiberglass shell with 1.5 inches of high-density EPS insulation, rated at R8. That insulation, combined with the molded fiberglass construction, is a major part of what gives the B21 its strong four-season credentials. The 25 B21RB is 21 feet 6 inches long, with a 4,308-pound base dry weight and 7,500-pound GVWR. For cold weather travel, Bigfoot adds thermal pane windows, a 30,000 BTU furnace, and heated and enclosed holding tanks, along with a water heater bypass and winterization system. For retirees, the 25 B21RB's rear bedroom layout is particularly practical. It gives you a dedicated sleeping area at the rear, while the front provides the main living and dining space. Inside, there's also a porcelain toilet, molded fiberglass shower enclosure, stainless steel kitchen appliances, a two-way refrigerator, and useful storage. Another feature worth noting for extended travel is the 400-watt factory solar panel with charge controller, which comes standard on the 25 B21RB. Current dealer pricing for new B21 models is typically around $75,000 to $80,000, depending on floor plan, options, and dealer. That's a premium price, but Bigfoot is giving you a compact trailer with serious four-season construction and the features needed for longer trips. For retirees who want compact size, strong cold weather protection, and a practical layout for two adults, the B21 is a compelling choice. Before we get to our top two, tell me what you're towing with. Half-ton pickup, three-quarter-ton, 1-ton, or something else. Because the next two trailers move into a very different range of size, capability, and price. And your tow vehicle can make a big difference in which one fits your retirement plans. Now, let's get to number two. The Oliver Legacy Elite 2 takes a different approach to four-season travel. Its standout feature is molded quad-shell, double-hull fiberglass construction with insulation between the shells. Oliver also protects the plumbing, holding tanks, and drain pipes within the hull system, with heat directed through the space to help reduce freezing risk. The trailer also features dual-pane windows, a ducted furnace, insulated plumbing, and a 32-gallon freshwater tank, all designed around year-round travel. At 24 feet long, with a 6-foot 6-inch interior height and 7,000-pound GVWR, it gives a couple a comfortable amount of living space while remaining relatively compact. For retirees, the twin-bed floor plan is particularly appealing. It provides two 75 by 30-inch twin beds, each with its own nightstand and storage drawer, while the side dinette can convert into an additional bed. That gives each person dedicated sleeping space while keeping the main living area open during the day. Inside, you also get a full bathroom, kitchen, solid surface countertops, porcelain toilet, and comfortable lounge area for extended trips. The trailer comes with a 100 amp-hour lithium battery, while higher trims add more battery capacity, solar, and inverter capability. The 2027 Legacy Elite 2 starts at $85,000, with higher trims pushing well into six figures. So you're firmly in the premium category, but you're getting a molded fiberglass trailer built around four-season protection, couple-friendly living, and long-term use. And that's why the Oliver earns our number two spot. But number one brings an even stronger combination of four-season capability and everyday RV comfort. The Arctic Fox NXT 22 GT takes our number one spot because it brings together serious four-season protection, comfortable living space, and the everyday features that matter when you're traveling for weeks or months at a time. At approximately 23 feet 10 inches long, the 22 GT has a dry weight of about 5,910 pounds and a 10,400-pound GVWR. It also carries 100 gallons of fresh water, giving you considerably more flexibility when you're traveling between campgrounds. And the cold weather engineering is a major part of the story. Four seasons insulation, heated holding tanks, thermal pane windows, and a 25,000 BTU furnace, a combination designed for comfortable travel beyond the traditional camping season. For retirement travel, though, it's not just about staying warm. The bedroom gives you a dedicated sleeping area with a 60 by 74.5-inch pillow-top mattress and recessed headboard storage. For longer trips, having that dedicated sleeping space makes the trailer feel much more livable. The bathroom provides a private enclosed space with a shower, toilet, and vanity, giving two adults the convenience of a full bathroom without having to rely on campground facilities. The kitchen is equally practical, with solid surface countertops, a 10 cubic foot 12-volt refrigerator, residential-style microwave with air fryer, and a full cooking area designed for everyday meals. Setup is also made easier with more ride step-above entry steps, a 12-volt power tongue jack, stabilizer jacks, and self-adjusting brakes. Then there's the living space. At nearly 24 feet, the 22 GT gives two adults enough room to cook, eat, relax, sleep, and spend a rainy or freezing day indoors without moving into the size and complexity of a much larger trailer. And that's ultimately why it earns our #1 spot. For retirees who want to travel beyond the traditional summer camping season, that's a very compelling combination. The best retirement trailer isn't necessarily the biggest one. It's the one that lets you travel comfortably, handle changing weather, and spend more time enjoying the destination. Because retirement RV travel isn't about having somewhere you have to be. It's about waking up on a Tuesday morning, looking outside, and deciding where you want to go next. A great four-season trailer gives you more freedom to do exactly that. So which one would you choose? The lightweight Jayco? The premium Lance? The rugged Bigfoot? The long-term Oliver? Or the Arctic Fox? And what are you towing with? Let me know in the comments and subscribe for more practical RV comparisons designed to help you make smarter buying decisions.